Hello viewers, today I am going to read an essay called Generative Art. The essay was published in the souvenir Jolark, published by Satyendranath and Lilavati Bhavan Research Scholars Hall, University of Kelani. The souvenir was published in 45th Annual Reunion and Holiday, Nexus 2023. The term Generative Art was coined by Max Benz in 1965. This essay, Generative Art, was written by Prashant Kumar Mitra, research scholar. Let's start. Generative art is a fascinating and innovative form of art that has emerged in recent years with the increasing use of technology in the creative process. It is a type of art that is created through the use of algorithms, computational processes, and automated systems. Generative art can be seen as a bridge between art and science, as it often involves the use of mathematical and scientific principles to generate the final artwork. One of the key features of the generative art is its ability to create high, complex, and intricate patterns and forms that would be difficult or impossible to achieve through traditional methods. This is because the algorithms used in generative art can iterate and evolve over time, generating a virtually limitless range of possibilities. Generative art can take many different forms, from visual art to music, poetry, and even performance art. It is often used in digital media, where the algorithms used to create the art can be programmed into software and run on computers or other digital devices. However, it is also possible to create generative art using traditional media such as paint or ink by designing a set of rules that dictate how the artwork should be created. One of the most exciting aspects of generative art is its potential to push the boundaries of what we consider to be art. By harnessing the power of technology and automation, artists are able to create new forms and expressions that challenge our understanding of the creative process. Generative art also offers new possibilities for collaboration between artists and technology, as well as opportunities for interdisciplinary exploration and experimentation. Overall, generative art is a fascinating and evolving field that promises to inspire new forms of creative expression in the years to come. Viewers, in the remaining part of the essay, there is the explanation of an example given and created by Prashant Kumar Mitra. I am not reading the explanation of the example here.